I'm Justin from LandMark. Today I want to go over the performance upgrades available for your 4 Series sprayer from John Deere. This is a list of all of the performance upgrade kits, otherwise known as PUKS, available for the 4 Series John Deere sprayers and the Hagie sprayers. Everything from ExactApply, Direct Inject, Load Command, Boom Track, Auto Track, Row Sense, and Vision, the Express Boom, underframe shields, wheel and crop shields, chemical adductors, fence row nozzles, front fill, foamers, stainless steel to poly and poly plumbing kits, air purge, and the Hagie kits are the modular injection, a rear boom, all-wheel steer, NORAC, and the crop dividers and shields. Today I want to talk specifically around the ExactApply PUK. This kit is available to all years of the 4 Series sprayers, from a 4030, 4038, 4044, and a 4045, and a 4060. It is not available on the smaller 4 Series machine. It works on either the steel or carbon fiber booms. You must have the stainless steel boom plumbing, and it'll work on a 15-inch or 20-inch nozzle spacing. It is compatible with the 2630, a 4640, or a Gen 4 Command Center 4600 display in the sprayer. This is an advantage if you want to stay with the 2630 technology. You can get this option without purchasing a new machine. Installation times from a 90-foot boom, steel booms, 20 hours. On the high end, on 120 steel boom is 24 hours. To spec this out, I've got an example here of a 120 foot 4038 2017 model year. First step is we pick out our chassis kit. This is the part number for that kit. It's $4,461. Step 2 is the boom kit. We've got a 120 foot boom on 15s. That kit is $52,222. Step 3 is the alternator. We've got to add the larger alternator to the sprayer to handle the electrical demands. 9-liter engine in this machine. It's $1,005 for the alternator. And then we've got a display kit that gets us new software and a manual for the sprayer, which is $69. Add all those up, you're at $57,757 list price and parts. That's as of today, January 9th, 2021. There's a 12% discount program that Deere offers on PUKS that lasts through March 31st. With the discount, that brings you down to $50,825. That doesn't include the installation and setup on the machine. If you were to purchase a new machine today with the same size of boom, that would be a $53,350 option on a model year 21 4038 with a 120 foot boom, 15-inch space. Neither price includes spray tips. You may require different spray tips to be compatible with the ExactApply depending upon the tips you're using today. You might consider doing the installation yourself to save you some of the labor costs of the install. If you want to get pricing on your specific sprayer, please talk to your local CTS at LandMark, and they'll help get you the pricing and all the options you need for your machine. If you want to learn more about ExactApply technology, please refer to our ExactApply videos, and you can learn more about this product. Thank you for your time.